My experience English. My experience English, why English is good but not excellent science. I was like the habit of speaking English was not very regular. I had only twice a week English class. I spent time of the school. The English language was early. A priority science there they a love about English. But the love of the practice is a serious problem, as has it difficult to learn the words or learning, but with the help of my friends who are excellent for English, they have me some tips to learn English in an easy way. The passage of time I realized that English is important. And right now why the institute give me the opportunity to learn many things including English.